High in the mountains of Lower Chitral, Madaklasht is a remote community where access to quality early childhood education has been limited. Today, Bright Beginnings ECLC is bringing a new opportunity to young children in this community. Through Montessori-inspired learning, hands-on activities, trained women educators, learning materials, and ongoing teacher support, children are gaining a stronger foundation for their educational journey. From a remote mountain community to a brighter future, every child deserves a bright beginning. This is the story of one center, one educator, and a community taking a step toward a brighter future.
A project of Worldwide Education Foundation